This is how to generate a quick notice and download in Word or PDF on Homzng as a property manager. With Homzng, you can effortlessly create quick notices in Word or PDF format, ensuring a smooth and efficient process. Follow these simple steps to generate and download quick notice documents with ease. Step 1. If you have not already done so, create an account on homzng or log in to your already existing account and you will be taken to your dashboard. Then on the left hand panel of your dashboard, click on the document generation section. Step 3. Click on generate new document. Step 4. Select quick notice. Step 5. Put in the name of your document and click on the next button. Step 6. Fill out the form with all the necessary information and click the Save and Generate button. Step 7. Here you can preview your document, edit it, and download it by clicking on the Save Document As icon. And Step 8. Click on the Print section in the bottom right pop-up panel. This will download the document to your local storage. Step 9. Click on My Documents to view your document or generate new document to generate a new document. And congratulations, you have successfully generated a quick notice. That will be it for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.